If you lost your job today, how long could you survive? No, seriously, how would you even know? The answer lies in a number you're probably ignoring: your net worth. What is net worth, really? Net worth isn't just a fancy word you hear on finance TikTok. It's the simplest way to measure where you stand financially. Here's the magic formula. Net worth equals what you own minus what you owe. That's it. No wizardry. No stock market skills needed. Own a car? That's an asset. Owe $15,000 on student loans? That's a liability. Net worth tells you what you'd walk away with if you sold everything and paid off all your debt. It's like your financial survival score. How to calculate it? Let's break it down into two buckets. Assets, things you own. Cash and savings. Investments, real estate, vehicles, even your Pokemon card collection, if it's actually worth something. Liabilities, what you owe. Credit card debt, student loans, mortgage, car loans. Example, you've got $10,000 in savings, a car worth $5,000, $1,000 in crypto, if you're brave. But you owe $7,000 in student loans. Your net worth is $16,000 minus $7,000, $9,000. Why net worth actually matters? Most people obsess over income, but that's only part of the story. You can earn $100,000 a year and still be broke if you spend it all. Net worth tells you if you're actually building wealth. Negative net worth? It's a red flag, but not a death sentence. Positive and growing net worth? You're on the right track, no matter what your paycheck says. Let's be honest here. If your bank account screams every time you log in, it's probably time to meet your net worth. How do you improve your net worth? Pay off high-interest debt. Credit cards first. Increase your income. Side hustle, raise, passive income. Buy assets, not liabilities. Invest in things that grow in value. Track it regularly. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet. Think of your net worth like your financial XP. It should grow as you level up in life. A lot of people make terrible mistakes, such as ignoring their liabilities, overestimating assets. My couch is worth like $2,000. No, it's not. Not tracking regularly. Assuming income. Grow. You're not rich just because you got a tax refund. Chill. If you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button and comment below. Do you know your net worth right now? Or are you avoiding it like your gym membership? Quick quiz. Which of these is not typically considered an asset? A, your savings account. B, your car. C, your streaming subscriptions. Drop your guess in the comments. Let's see how financially savvy you really are. You don't have to be rich to grow your net worth. You just have to start paying attention. If budgeting feels overwhelming, stick around. My next video makes it easy with the 50-30-20 rule.